Hi everyone, I'm Stefania from One of a Style. Today I want to talk about belts. Belts are indeed a very important styling tool. We can use belts to give character and personalize our outfits, but also we can use belts to highlight our point of strength and also to enhance our body shape. But we need to be aware of what are the best kinds of belts for our body shape. So there are in the women world there are three main different kinds of belts: the high-waisted belt, the tummy or low-waist belt, and the hips belt. So as you can understand from the name, the high-waist belt go to highlight your waist point, your waistline. And so this is the ideal for pear-shaped person or for hourglasses, all those people in general who have a very tiny and well-defined waist point. Now these are belts of mine I'm gonna show you. So usually they can be higher or they can be even, lower, thinner, and they can be soft or rigid, whatever. They work wonderfully to highlight the waistline. On the contrary, if you think you have a straight line or maybe you don't want to highlight this part, I suggest you to avoid them. And then there are the lower waist or tummy belts. So they are the most classic ones, the ones you use into your jeans, into your trousers, or even some skirts. And they can be worn basically from almost everyone because they are the most classic ones. But maybe if you don't like your tummy, if you don't want to highlight your tummy, I suggest you not to wear them. And these are classic, tummy or lower waist belts. So once again, they can be higher or lower, thinner. Usually they are rigid, not soft, but you might find some soft belts as well. And then we have the third type, who is the hips belt. They are the ideal for example, triangular shaped bodies because they have usually very narrow hips, and what they need to do to balance their body is to highlight and add details on their hips. So this is the ideal type of belt. Now this is a very high one, but there are also again thinner ones and in different materials, and you can wear them. Usually they have a specific shape that goes onto your hips, and you can wear them on your tunics or dresses and also long blouses. Now, if you want a professional help to understand what's the best kind of belt for you and your body shape, get in touch and let's chat.